Our digital lives are increasingly vulnerable to cyber threats in today's interconnected world. From personal information to financial data, protecting ourselves online is crucial. This video will provide simple, easy to understand cybersecurity best practices to help safeguard your digital life. Following these guidelines can minimize the risk of falling victim to cybercrime and enjoy a safer online experience. Number 1. Passwords and authentication. Passwords act as the keys to our digital lives. Creating strong and unique passwords is essential to protect your online accounts. Remember these tips. Use long and complex passwords. Combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using common or easily guessable words. Do not reuse passwords across multiple accounts. Consider using a password manager to generate and store unique passwords securely. Enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second verification step, such as a code sent to your phone. Number 2. Software updates. Keeping your devices and software up to date is crucial. Regularly install updates for your operating system, antivirus software, web browsers, and other applications. These updates often contain security patches that address vulnerabilities and protect against emerging threats. Enable automatic updates whenever possible to ensure you always use your software's latest, most secure versions. Number 3. Phishing awareness. Phishing is a common technique used by cybercriminals to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information. Teach yourself and others to be cautious. Be skeptical of unexpected emails, especially those requesting personal or financial information. Look for signs of phishing, such as generic greetings, spelling errors, or suspicious URLs. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading attachments from unknown sources. Double-check the legitimacy of a website before entering any personal information. When in doubt, contact the organization directly through their official website or phone number to verify the request. Number 4. Public Wi-Fi and network security. Using public Wi-Fi networks can expose your data to potential eavesdroppers. Follow these precautions. Avoid accessing sensitive information, for example, banking, on public Wi-Fi networks. Use a virtual private network, VPN, to encrypt your connection if necessary. Be cautious of connecting to unknown or unsecured Wi-Fi networks. Disable automatic Wi-Fi connections on your devices to prevent connecting to potentially malicious networks. Regularly review and update your home network security settings, including Wi-Fi passwords and router configurations. Number 5. Social media and privacy settings. Protecting your privacy on social media is crucial in the digital age. Consider these steps. Regularly review your privacy settings on social media platforms. Be mindful of the information you share publicly, including personal details and location. Limit the visibility of your posts and profile to trusted friends and family. Avoid accepting friend requests or engaging with suspicious or unknown accounts. Be cautious when sharing personal information or clicking on links sent via social media platforms. In conclusion, as technology continues to advance, so do the methods used by cybercriminals. Implementing these simple cybersecurity best practices can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to online threats. Remember to stay vigilant, update your software regularly, and be cautious when sharing personal information online. With these steps, you can take control of your digital life and enjoy a safer online experience.